Hey guys, Foodie here. Real quick, this is a tutorial on setting up the meet and greet slide. Most of you won't need to do this because this is something that will come point to point. This will be when you make your point to point transition after the welcome. However, in the event of you needing it, or this is just a great tip to learn how to do some of these things, this is a tutorial for you. So let's begin. I'm here in ProPresenter. I'm in the welcome slide section. I should use the mouse so you can see what I'm doing. I'm in the welcome, mainly because this is what is going to be at the end of the welcome, the meet and greet. So here we go. So now we need to get the welcome home slide. Most of you already have a welcome home slide because it's in your build. But if you don't and you need to get one, you can open up Dropbox, log in, type in welcome home. You're looking for the one that's in Motion Graphics. We're going to download that. Here it is. It's downloaded. Close that. Close that. Downloads. And I'm going to drag it in here like that. Now I need to add a clock because it's got a 30-second timer. So I'm going to press Control and C, or you can go up here to the clock menu, or you can go over here to, whoops, need to get back into ProPresenter and go to clocks and timers. There's multiple ways of doing here. So I'm going to go here to the plus to add a new timer. It says timer 1. We're going to change this to meet and greet. And we're going to set it for 30 seconds. Hit enter, and now it's prepped. So now we have our clock. Now we're going to go into our messages. See that? Also, you can get to it via here, messages. And it's a little messy here, but we're just going to soldier on. We're going to add a new one, and we're going to call it meet and greet. Now we're going to go here to template. We're going to create a new template group. Which I've already done this one, but we'll do it again. Meet and greet. I'm putting a 2 because I already have one that I made earlier, but this is just for demonstration purposes. So now this brings us up to our editor view. We're going to add a text box right here. We're going to shrink this down because we don't need it to be quite this big. And then we're going to double click to edit, and we're just going to write sample text. That just lets us know what it's going to look like when we have it in. We'll change it to Gotham Bold. Let's make it bigger. I'd say maybe start at 50. Let's center it. Okay, that's too high, so I need to bring it down. About there looks okay. I close it out. My template's good, and then tokens, these are what you're going to trigger. We're going to fire the meet and greet here. We want to go ahead and remove second 0 so it'll not display any zeros. Okay, then you're going to right click on this one. You're going to add a queue, timer queue, meet and greet. What that will do is it'll fire the meet and greet clock. Then you're going to go to add a queue, go to your queue palette. So this is all of the different queues you can put in. We're going to add a message queue. So we're going to click and drag that in. It's going to say select the message. I want it to display the meet and greet for 30 seconds. Done. And so now I can close that. When I click on this slide, it'll display and start the 30-second timer. And so this will be for the meet and greet. Again, this is coming point to point. At the end of this, we'll go into news, but just so you guys know what we're doing or how to do it if you need to make one, that is your tutorial on how to set up the meet and greet welcome home slide. Please let me know if you have any questions. Have a great week. Foodie out.